Hello dear children, how are you all? I hope you all are good at home. Welcome back in the class of Moral Science. Let's continue our chapter, Being Helpful. In previous class, we had done the reading of this chapter with difficult words and we had also discussed advantages of following this value and disadvantages of not following this value. In today's class, we are going to read a story which is given in this chapter and at the end, we will also discuss situations related to this value. But before reading a story, I am going to tell you a summary. So dear children, listen it carefully. The story is about an ant who found a large grain of wheat. The ant could not carry it to its hole as it was very heavy. She requested another ant to help her, but the other ant refused the request. And what happened next? We will read in the reading part. Take out your moral science book, open page number 33 and come to the story part. An ant found a large grain of wheat. Now there is a word, children, grain. Underline it and write down its meaning, seed. The grain was very heavy for the ant. The ant could not carry it to its hole. Underline the word hole and write down its meaning, place where animal lives. So dear children, there was an ant who found a large grain of wheat, but she could not carry it to its hole as it was very heavy. Read the next paragraph. She requested another ant to help her. But the other ant replied, now there is a word, children, replied, underline it and write down its meaning, answer, A-N-S-W-E-R, answer. I have my own work to do, I cannot help you. So dear children, the first ant asked another ant to help her, but the another ant refused to help. So what does it mean? It means the another ant was not helpful. Come to the page number 34, children. Each first line, the ant got disappointed. There is a word, children, disappointed. Underline it and write down its meaning, upset. U-P-S-E-T, upset. So why was she upset, children? As she was not able to carry the grain to its hole. She lay down to sleep near the grain. Lay down means, children, niche let jana. Just then a good ant was passing the road. So who was passing the road, children? A good ant. She saw the ant. The ant with the grain requested the other ant to help her. So what happened next, children? The first ant requested the good ant for the help. As she was a good ant, she was ready to help the first ant. She came up and helped her to carry the load. So what she did, children? The good ant came up and helped the first ant to carry the grain. The ant became very happy. So who became very happy, children? The first ant became very happy. She thanked the good-natured ant. Now there is a word, children, good-natured. Underline it and write down its meaning, kind. K-I-N-D, kind. You should also be helpful. This is the story part, children, and I hope that you all have understood about this story very well. So let's come to the moral of the story. So what we have learned from this story, children? The moral of the story is we should help others. Let's come back to the page number 34 again as there is a question and we have to answer. Take the most suitable title for this story. There are two options given, children, and you have to take the correct one. The first option is the good ant and the bad ant. And second is the helpful ant. So think about it, children, and take the correct one. Let's come to the next part. Next we have to discuss, children, situations related to this value. So I have situations for you, children. Look at the screen. The first situation is, if you see a blind man crossing the road, then what will you do? Will you help him to cross the road or not? So think about it, children, and answer it. I have one more situation for you. Suppose your friend forget English book at home. Then what will you do, children? Will you share your book with your friend or not? So this is your second situation and you have to answer. Now this is all about this chapter, children, and I hope that you all have understood very clearly about this value. And always try to become helpful children. Even you must follow this value. Next is the homework time. So today's your homework is, children, do exercise C and coloring activity of page 35 and 36. And in the next session, we will start a new chapter. Until then, take care, be safe at home, children. Thank you so much.